students, now we are going to discuss about one activity, chapter 1 real numbers case. Euclid division lemma using how to find out the HCF of a given number. That is the meaning of the activity we are going to perform. Here, what is the general form of a Euclid division lemma? Here they say that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is the formula. Remainder is the general format. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus a remainder. They represent generally as a dividend place an alphabet as A, and a divisor place they using an alphabet as B, and a quotient representing an alphabet as a Q, and a remainder representing an alphabet as a R. So this is the general form for a Euclid division. A is equal to B into Q plus R is the general formula. Using Euclid division lemma, we are going to perform the activity. First, theoretically, how to do that sum. Example, two numbers I going to take. One is 16, another is 12. Two numbers. We want to find out the HCF of these two numbers. How to find out HCF of these two numbers? Here, which is the biggest number, bigger number given in this question is 16. That's why the bigger number, consider it as our dividend place. Divisor place smaller, which is a smaller number. 12 is the smaller number, so B place 2 take, meaning 16 is divided with 12. 12 table how many times? 1 time. 12 into 1 12. Subtraction 2 in time. Remainder become 4 is the remainder. So quotient is 1. So Q place 1 substitute plus remainder is how much? 4. So here what we want to do here is to divide and divide. Remainder become 0. That much division we want. Here remainder is how much? 4 is the remainder. So that's why again we continue our procedure. In the second step, our divisor comes as our dividend place, remainder comes as our divisor. So what is the divisor here? 12. So 12 comes as our dividend place, remainder 4 comes as our divisor place. Meaning 12 is divided with 4. 4 table when we get to 12, 4 3s are 12. So remainder become how much? 0 is the remainder. So for quotient is how much? 3. So quotient place, Q place we substitute 3, and R place which value we substitute 0. So what we can conclude, therefore HCF of 16 and 12 become how much? Which number we using and dividing time, remainder become 0. For using and dividing time we get answer as 0. That's why HCF of 16 and 12 become 4 is the answer. I hope you can understand theoretically. So now we are going to perform an activity. How to do this activity doing? First of all, here one strips take, one is 16 centimeter strips. Here like this. Here how to do this activity. First of all, what are the numbers they given? 16 and 12 are the two numbers given. First 16 paste there, 16 centimeter strip take and paste in the, so 16 centimeter take, 16 centimeter strip take, paste it on the book paper. So 16 centimeter. Next 16 is divided with which number? 12. So 12 centimeter strip take. So we can take a 12 centimeter strip, and where we want to paste it on the down of the 16 centimeter. So we paste it on the down of the 16 centimeter. So we paste it like this. So here how much centimeter gap is there pasting after? Here we know that 12 is added with which number we get 16. 12 is added with 4, we get answer is 6. That meaning, how much centimeter gap is the 4 centimeter gap is the measuring the here to here distance become how much 4 centimeter. So here that is the mean, here 4 become remainder. Here practically we can say 4 centimeter gap is the, theoretically what we can say 4 comes as the remainder. The next is second step what we use here at 12. Our divisor comes as our dividend place. So next we take it again, once again a 12 centimeter strip to take. In this way 12 centimeter strip to take, paste it there, pasting the 12 centimeter strip, then divided with which number? 4. Then for here how much gap is there, how much centimeter gap is there? 4 centimeter gap is there. That's why 4 centimeter we want to take and divide. But here how much is the quotient? 3. Meaning 4 centimeter, how many strips we required? 3 strips required for pasting. We pasting time here gap will not coming. That's why here 4 centimeter 3 strips we want to pasting there. So here 4 centimeter like this. Here 4 centimeter strip pasting on the just down of that number. Again 4 centimeter strip to take, paste 4 centimeter second strip to take, and pasting there. Again how many strips we need? 3. That's why again one more 4 centimeter strip to take and pasting time, and then looking time in which way 12 centimeter is fully covered with 4 centimeter 3 strips. So there is no gap. That's why we understood that what is the HCF of this number, which number using, and we filling there 4 centimeter, meaning HCF become 4 is the HCF of which number? 16 and 12. That is the meaning of this question. So I hope you can understand how to perform this activity. In this way strips keeping and paste is 16 and 12. Then here 12 second line 12 is divided with 4 dividing how many strips are required? 3 strips. That's why 3 strips we pasted pasting, then we understood that that 3 strips fully covered that 12 centimeter. Then next we go to another one more example. I go through there. One more example I going and taking it as a 24 here 21 and 24 we want to find out HCF of 21 and 24. How to find out which is the bigger number given there? 24. So dividend place we dividend represent as here. Dividend place we take it as 24. B represent as a divisor. Second number smaller, which is a smaller number, 21 is our smaller number. Smaller number, take it on the divisor place. So 24 is, meaning is 24 is divided with 21. So division and 21 table, when we get 24 not properly getting one time, 21 is the subtraction doing the remainder become how much? 3. So quotient place, this cube place we can substitute 1 plus remainder place which value we substitute 3. So here remainder become 3. Our aim is to remainder become 0. Here remainder is 3. That's why we want to continue this procedure. How to continue? Our device in the second step, our divisor comes as a dividend place here, which is our divisor. First step 21. 21 comes as our dividend place. In first step, which is our remainder, 3 comes as a remainder. That one comes on the divisor place, meaning 21 is divided with 3. So how many times? 7 times. 3 into 7 become 21. Subtraction doing how much is the answer? Remainder become 0. So we can write it as a quotient place. Quotient is how much? 7 plus remainder place how much? 0 comes as a remainder. So what is the what we can conclude here? What is the HCF of 24 and 21? HCF see which number we use it to divide in time, remainder become 0. 3 use and divide in time, we get the answer remainder as 0 there. I hope theoretically you can understand how to find out the HCF. Then how to perform activity wise, how to perform this one in activity wise. Here another paper I take. Here see first one, which numbers they mention, the 24 and 21, which is our divisor, we consider bigger number 24. So I take 24 centimeter. So 24 centimeter take. In this way keep means the place is not sufficient. That's why horizontally we keeping there. Horizontally we pasted the 24 centimeter. Horizontally pasting a 24 centimeter. Pasting 24 centimeter. Pasting in this way, pasting a 24 centimeter divided with which number? 21. So we take a 21 centimeter strips. This one 21 centimeter take and make a strip 21. So then paste where to paste? 21 is used for dividing 24. That's why just to be down of the 24 we paste in the 21 centimeter. So just down. In this way, just down we keep and pasting. So here some gap is there, meaning here some centimeter gap is how much centimeter, how to identify? 21 is added with which number to get to 24? 21 plus 3 comes to be 24. So we understood that 3 centimeter gap. That means 3 centimeter, 3 is the remainder coming. So 3 centimeter gap is. Using that 3 centimeter gap, we go to divide the second step. Second step what they are saying, a dividend become which number? 21. So again we take a 21 centimeter strip like this. 21 centimeter strip take somewhat down to pasting a 21 centimeter strip. Somewhat down to paste like this at 21 centimeter. Then divided with which number? How much is our gap? 3 centimeter gap. 3 centimeter pasting there. But how many strips we required? 7 strips. Meaning is 7 strip we required. 3 centimeter, 7 strip required. And pasting time this 21 centimeter were fully covered. And remainder because how much? 0. So 3 centimeter, 7 strip we take and pasting there. So in this way we are pasting a 3 centimeter take and pasting 3 centimeter strips. Third strip I pasting there. Then next again fourth strip I pasting. Fifth strip I pasting there. Fifth strips I paste in the next sixth one is pasting there. Sixth strip. Then same way seventh strip also pasting there. So pasting time, looking time, there is no gap. They are fully covered. Here no gap is 21 centimeter is fully covered with 7 strip of 3 centimeter. That's why what we can conclude which centimeter we taking and getting 21 centimeter fully covered 3 years. That's why HCF of this 24 and 21 because how much 3 is the HCF. That's why theoretically we find that HCF become 3. I hope you can understand this activity. In this way activity doing time, once you remember that up to 25 centimeter enough because paper is not sufficient for doing the activity. So different values you can use and do in this way HCF finding and do in this activity, performing your activity. So thank you.